Man, what another lovely day. Hey, bro, Josh, come here.
Yeah?
Let go of that grenade.
Dude.
Drop the
open
grenade.
That one.
For
Open
real.
that one.
Man.
Oh, let's play hot potato. Dang it! Why? I just want to play hot potato.
We're not playing hot potato. Okay. Man, you want to go take a walk out there? Here, you can take this backpack. Actually, it doesn't have anything in it. See?
Okay.
Here, let's go this way. No, don't do that. Come on.
Why?
Because that's not what the video's about. Stick to the script. Okay. What a lovely day. Oh, what's this?